the fun they had. So without wasting much time, let's get started. We have already completed these 2 pages, this and this. So let's begin in this one. So the first para is student in those schools. Which schools? That grandfather's school. So the teacher told the boys and girls things and gave homework. The teacher told the boys and girls things means the teacher gave the study materials and talk with them, ask them questions, their queries, and teacher replied them. And he also asked them questions. Margie told Tommy that man couldn't be smart enough as they read in telebooks, so they doesn't have any experience of teacher or a human being teacher. That's why Margie told Tommy that man couldn't be smart enough, but Tommy said he was so. But Tommy said the teacher was so, means the teacher was quite smart enough. So next para is old school explained. Old schools explained. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. Margie was not well prepared to dispute that. She said that she wouldn't want a strange man to live in her house and teach her. She doesn't like or want that anyone will stay my house and teach me. Strange man. Okay. Next line is Tommy told Margie that the teacher did not live in the house as the mechanical teacher lived. Yeah, they used to read the mechanical teacher teaches them, but in case Tommy told Margie that the teacher did not live in the house, means the teacher did not live in student's house as mechanical teacher live, means they did not have any experience that whether teacher live in student house or in own house, means as Margie does not have any idea. That's why he said that I dislike that any teacher will live in my house and teach me. Okay, so next line is that did not live in Tommy told Margie that the teacher did not live in the house as the mechanical teacher lived. Okay, next they had a special building means special building indicates here schools. All the kids went there and they learned the same thing, means all the students learned same thing from a teacher, means from one teacher. And that time every teacher used to take every subject, so every subject one teacher, and that one teacher will teach all the students. So next, and they learned the same thing. Okay, also they were of the same age group. Every class consists of every same group. Next, adjustment of television teacher. But Margie said that as per her mother, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. But Margie said that as per her mother, a teacher, a teacher had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it taught. I think understand means you all understand. So each kid had to be taught it had to be taught differently, so that each kid, means if one teacher will start fitting every girl and every boy's mind, then so each kid had to be taught differently, so each kid will be taught differently as usual. Margie's school time. Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called that it was a time for her school. Margie asked Tommy if she could read the book some more with him after school. Tommy walked away. He had put the dusty old book under his arm. So this para is neat and clean to us. We all understand these words. If not, you can ask me question. I think you all understand. Margie thinks of old school. Margie put her work in the slot with a sigh. Sigh means deep breath. Means Margie put her work, means the homework or work, whatever, in the slot with a sigh. In the slot means where here Margie have to keep the material or the thing, a given space for putting thing into. Okay, and sigh with a deep breath. So Margie put her work in the given space for putting things into with a deep breath. She was thinking about the old schools. They had them when her grandfather's grandfather was a kid, means when her great grandfather was a kid. All the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. Means Margie thought that they were enjoying a lot. They used to sit in a place togetherly. They shout, they share homework among each other. Means they lead a peaceful life. It was Margie's thought. All the kids from the neighborhood come laughing and shouting in the schoolyard. They sat together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing so that they could help one another in their homework, as I told earlier, and the teacher were human beings. Next point or next topic is thinking continues. The mechanical teacher was flashing on screen the fraction of a question. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen of the fraction of a question. This means the mechanical teacher was flashing, means the mechanical teacher was glowing on the screen the fraction of a question. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved the school in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Okay, so this was the actual topic, and the chapter ends here. So these are the Hindi portion, you may also read. And here are the highlighted main points. I am reading one or two lines, or let's see how much I read. Okay. Margie writes about a book on her diary page headed 17th May 2157. The book was very old with wrinkled and yellow pages. The words stood still and didn't move on the screen. Tommy called it a waste. They threw the telebooks after reading. Margie hated her teleschools. It was because her mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test. She had been doing worse and worse. She felt relieved when the mechanical teacher got some problem, but her mother called the county inspector, who took the teacher away. Tommy told Margie about old school. As Tommy told her about old school, Margie's interest grew in them. In old school, the teacher told the boys and girls things together and gave homework. All the kids in the neighborhood came laughing and shouting. They sat together and learned the same thing. They could help one another in their homework. The teacher were human being. Margie was lost in thinking of these schools. She wanted the fun the students in old school had. Meanwhile, her mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen the fraction of a question. She hated it as she yearned the old school. So, this 9 points I have already discussed in the chapter, and here are some words meaning this and this, and important passage for comprehension. If you require this, and if you want to ask me to describe the question answer, then you will reply me, or you will say me. I will be replying you. So these are the question answer. Here are the sentences, and these are some grammatical portions. There are many questions, you can see many questions, and the chapter ends here. So yeah, if you require the explanation of the question answer, or if you require the question answer, you will reply me. You will say me. I will giving the replies. So yeah, it was all my today's video. Meet you again in my next video with a new chapter or with another kind of video. So yeah, for today, take care and bye bye.